Good morning, everyone. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. It is a snuggly kind of Saturday. I have my blanket that my mom made me, and I just want to kind of drink my coffee and snuggle and do a video with you. So that's what I'm doing. If we're lucky, we'll have a visitor over here who will come and show off for you guys a little bit. But I wanted to share with you my recent Influenster box. I discussed kind of the benefits of Influenster in a video before, so I will link that up above. I have zero makeup on whatsoever, but I just got this in. And if you're interested in seeing what's inside, because I actually have no idea, then keep watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do all those things if you're interested in doing that. And let's do this. My mom makes the most beautiful blankets, so shout out to Mama Upchurch, love you so much, and thank you for my snuggly blanket. Ben and I love our blankets, and they're very much so our blankets. Like, I have mine and he has his, so we love them and we love you. So Influenster sent me a box that I'm super excited to open with you today. I'll link my video about kind of how Influenster works. And basically you just do reviews of different products and tell them what you think, and they send you free products to try. So I actually literally just woke up, and so I put some of the Rich Cream, which is in my first Influencer, I put it under my eyes because they were feeling kind of dry. And the cream, I just moisturized my whole face with it. So use that today, but let's get into the box. My mug does say, "Good morning, gorgeous," because it's just one of those days where you need your mug to tell you you're pretty. The box did say fragile liquid bottle, handle with care. Like, so there's something liquid in here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, okay, so it's the summer 2020 kick-off Vox box. So out of millions of members, there's just one you. Congrats on making our list of handpicked influencers to receive this box. Get ready to explore and indulge and share. So it's got Oxiclean, that's amazing. The whitener and stain remover powder. It's got a Twisted Ranch, which I love ranch. Like, my love for ranch is real. So that's exciting. It has a Aura Cassia, never heard of that. Hydrosol and oil moisturizer. It's some kind of spray for your face, and then it has a moringa oil for conditioning your skin. And then lastly, it has some Tums Chewy Bites in assorted berry. So that's what I've got here. So this is the Oxiclean stain remover. Oh, we have a cat running situation. Sorry. This is the single sample of an Oxiclean White Revive laundry stain remover here. I've got the Chewy Bites Tums here, so 2 tablets. And then we've got the good stuff. So lots of liquids in here. This is the, oh my gosh, Twisted Ranch Garlic Smashed Buffalo Ranch. Full size, so like, to give you a comparison here, that's how big the bottle is. That looks like it's gonna be so good. So still think about that garlic sauce we had in New Orleans, but how to kick it up a notch. We added some hot sauce and a fiery twist. Use it on chicken wings or ... Oh my gosh. So I don't really like spicy stuff, but I love garlic, and like if it's a hint of hot sauce or buffalo, like with ranch, I'm gonna love this. Oh my god. I've actually never heard of this like Twisted brand, so that'll be fun to try. Here are the Aura Cassia products. So this is the oil moisturizer again. So here's the full-size bottle for comparison. It is 4 fluid ounces. It's a huge container. It contains organic sunflower oil and moringa oil. It says it is rich moisturization. Ooh, I need some coffee for that. Rich moisturization. For without a greasy feel. Uniquely designed with 100% plant-based ingredients, including organic moringa oil for conditioning of normal to dry skin. Pump your desired amount into your hand and rub it into your skin. Wow. Okay. Let's open her up and see what she smells like. See if it smells like a plant. You know what I mean? Some plants. Oh. It definitely has a plant smell, but it's like the good kind. It's kind of like citrusy plants, you know, like freshly, what's it called when you like groom your plants? Pruned, freshly pruned plants. And then the second bottle, this door creepily keeps opening further and further because the cat is having a moment, okay? So this one, that is in a bubble wrap, so I feel like it's more fragile. More fragile than ranch? I don't know. So this is a glass bottle, and this is a plastic bottle, and they're from the same company. So this is the Rose Hydrosol Renewing. Well, it just says Rose Hydrosol Renewing. It's glass. So it's got rose flower water, potassium sorbate, sodium citrate, sodium phytate, alcohol. Oh, I don't want the alcohol. No fragrances, not tested on animals. Okay, so it says that these hydrosols are the aromatic water solutions that remain after essential oils are distilled. Immerse your skin in a blissful hydrosol mist with a spray. So it's a rose spray. It's just kind of like a hydrating spray, I imagine. It says to refresh, renew, mist face and body. To boost hydration, mist your face or body before applying skincare oil. Okay, so you're supposed to use this, the hydrosol, before the oil, I guess. There we go. Oh yeah, that smells nice. Just like roses, just what you would expect. It's kind of an intense fragrance actually. It's almost like, it's very, very intense. It says to avoid the mucous membranes, irritation occurs, do not use. So be careful with your eyes on this. So we got the Oxiclean, the Tums, the Ranch, which I'm so excited about, and, you know, a moisturizer and a face mist. Overall, I'd say that this was a pretty good influencer box. Nice variety there. Some household products, some skincare products, and I'm here for it. But thanks so much for tuning in. I'll let you know how these things go. I'll be reviewing them on Influenster. If you guys don't follow me there, I am the Denim Redhead there. I'm the Denim Redhead here. I'm the Denim Redhead everywhere. So thanks so much for tuning in today and waking up with me. And I hope you're all having a fabulous weekend. It is Saturday and beautiful. The sun is shining. I'm up super early. Can't sleep in. So I hope you have a great weekend. And I'm not even sure when this is going up, but I hope you had a great weekend if this goes up on Sunday. So please stay safe, enjoy the day, and if you're enjoying these videos, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, ring the bell. You'll get notified every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. I post 3 times a week. And if you're interested in a giveaway, I'm doing some of those. I just think that the beauty community is pretty awesome, and the YouTube community is fun. And I'm just enjoying making these videos. So if you're a fan, please subscribe. If not, that's okay. And thank you for watching anyways. But have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Let's see. So Influencer sent me this box. You gotta do stuff?